Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you a new feature which we have for parallel cuts called Trim Adaptive Passes. First, let's see where the option is located in User Interface. We go to the Surface Path page. We are already on the Parallel Cuts pattern, and under Step Over you will be able to find Trim Adaptive Passes option. In this operation, we have disabled the option Foresee how the toolpath behaves. You can notice the adaptive passes creation in both Semisphere, where the vertical walls could be observed, and in the flatland area as well. In the second operation, we have the same settings, but the checkbox is enabled. Depends on your needs. You may use this option when you create a toolpath based on parallel cuts. As it can be observed, there are no longer adaptive passes in both areas, but only in vertical walls zone. The passes have been cutted, and now the step over is being respected in flatland area. Now could be observed the differences between the both operations and while the toolpath is getting cut. Thank you very much for your attention.